Wow, doggy is taking pizza. You finish, doggy? That's good. Eat pizza. Wow, you like pizza, doggy? That's good. Wow, our lovely doggy only comes for pizza. Yeah? Yes. You want some more? Yeah, take pizza. There's pizza. Wow. Wow, beautiful pizza. Beautiful pizza, and our doggy eats, but it takes there. Why are you scared, doggy? It's good, doggy. You can take the pizza. It's delicious and fresh, just prepared for doggy. This is street dog, and it's enjoying the pizza, the taste of pizza. I guess it's a cheese pizza, very delicious. See, it's looking for the cheese particles inside. Doggy, yeah, it's scared because of somebody thrown the water. Yeah, doggy, are you happy now? Oi, are you happy with the pizza? Still hunting for some? That's good. Okay, that's good.